Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 909 Cooper Street in Danville, Pennsylvania. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom duplex home. It's got a little off-street parking, a really great private yard, and some other things that I think are really gonna knock your socks off. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you through this entire incredible place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this one the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today, so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood and the exterior of the property. And you can also see there's a gate there to get into the private backyard, and then you do have some off-street parking here. And we're going to come up onto the front porch. There's certainly space to put a couple chairs on like a side table or something like that out here. So if you'd like to sit outside and enjoy this part of the home, you certainly can. And we're gonna come right inside today. You have a nice broad area. So you've got one here, and then it opens up to there, and then right into the kitchen. So if you're entertaining at all while you're cooking, you can be in the flow of conversation. So this is a nice big room. There's lots of outlets. I'd love to mention that the ceilings are 150 feet tall. To a 5-foot tall person, these are very tall, but they are big ceilings. Got a nice closet here for storage. I love this room. This, I would personally make a living room. It would be really nice to have a nice couch there, and then you could put a chair over here, your television and things like that over here, and then maybe just make this another little like sitting room, because you know, a girl loves options. I'd probably have like 4 couches up in here. This leads into the kitchen, which you can certainly do as an eat-in kitchen if you don't want to do a dining room table and chair set. You've got enough room here for about 3 normal size bar stools. Got kind of a little kick thing there. There is a little storage cabinet there. You can certainly do an eat-in kitchen in here if you wanted to. You've got this stunning marble countertops. You've got these beautiful modern cabinets. You've got the fixtures, the stainless steel appliances, the apron sink. I mean, did they think of everything? I think the answer is yes. This is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see here, I can see all the way to the front door. And worth mentioning, look at this stunning, beautiful, beautiful tile. Now, we're gonna come from here. I love this feature. The half bathroom on the main floor, because you don't want to have to send your guests upstairs. Absolutely yes, all day long. And this has a nice linen closet to be able to use for storage. If you don't have like toiletries that's going to fill that up, a really great thing for that one would be your cleaning supplies. You have this gorgeous, gorgeous solarium here. Tons and tons of windows. I love that you also have cabinets. You've got a shelf there. You could certainly do this as a dining room. You can see the vents there, so the heat comes out here. We have electricity out here. And then you can see on all sides your backyard. Now, I will say you can see a garage here through the doors. That garage is not going to be of use, but the rest of this enclosed yard, this is all for you. Well, let's come back into the house here. I'm just gonna make mention of the basement, and I would like to make sure that everyone knows that it is an unfinished dirt floor basement, and I will not be going down there today. I don't believe that would be a good place to utilize for storage without risking some sort of damage, just because it is a dirt floor basement. So you'd have to use your discretion, but I would not recommend it. So we're going to be coming upstairs, little spiral action here. And when we come into the first bedroom, this is a really nice, little bit darker, kind of mid-size bedroom. I would say about a queen-size bed in here. It's long, but not wide. But what I love is you have a really, now just so you know, there is a little step up here. You have a really nice built-in closet. So storage-wise, This is pretty fantastic add-on here. And then behind the door here, you have another closet with 2 shelves, and you can do like a little hang bar situation there. Coming up the hall, this goes to the attic. That'll stay locked off. It's just also not usable storage for anyone. Now coming into the middle here, you have your laundry room. You got a little cabinet there. You got plenty of space here for a washer and an electric dryer. Tons of storage, tons of storage. You also have this for storage for your linens because y'all, your bathroom is right over here. You've got a nice wide vanity, single sink, but definitely wide, storage in there, storage right there. You've got a really nice deep bathtub and a nice tall shower head. There's a lot you can do in here. This is pretty much a blank canvas. You could certainly dress this up, add some additional things like bins and things like that to make this a really cozy, comfortable space. If you need extra storage, you also have this here. I'm in love. Like, this is absolutely adorable. I love the addition of this. The usage of the space here is really, really key, especially in these old homes. There's a lot of unique spaces that you can turn into storage areas. And then we have the bedroom that faces the front. This would be the largest. You can for sure do a king size bed in here. So I'm going to show you the closet here. This would be a really great closet if you were sharing and you needed that bedroom for, you know, another person in the family or something like that. But you do have a really nice sized closet. It's not as big as the first one, but it does have some shelves and options to maximize the space here for your closet. I wasn't kidding about those things that'd knock your socks off, right? You saw the kitchen? I mean, seriously. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to see all the information about the property. You'll have the ability to book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, we are anxious to help you make this your place.